Alright, what's up guys, it's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2. Now this is not the Osmo Pocket 2. DJI went ahead and took out the Osmo out of the way. However, it is the successor to the original Pocket. Now I'm excited about this camera because if you've been following my channel, you know how much I love portable cameras. I'm actually shooting this video right now with my Sony ZV-1, which I love. I've used the GoPro Hero 9. You guys saw me talk about that. I've got an Insta360 1R. I've had the GoPro Max. If it's small, if it's portable, if I can shoot video with it, usually I'm interested. Usually that's something I want to try out. So why am I interested in this camera in particular? Well, to be quite honest with you guys, I want something that I can take with me out and about, that I can shoot high quality video with, that I don't have to think about, and that I can just put it in my pocket, put it in my backpack, and be on my way. And this fits the bill, at least in terms of portability. Okay. Now I've been kind of torn because I had the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and that was supposed to be my everyday camera, especially my out and about. But as everybody knows, GoPro does not do any kind of decent low light. Now it's not like I'm out here shooting in pitch black. However, in a situation like this is low light. I have one light above me, one light to the corner, and if I was shooting this video with a GoPro, it would be grainy and it'd be awful. So I'm shooting this with my Sony ZV-1, which I love. Okay, this is not meant to replace the camera I'm shooting with right now, but the camera I'm shooting with right now does not have stabilization. It has active shot, crops in the footage, and I was considering getting a stabilizer for it. That was going to run me close to $300. So then I sat there and I thought for a second, this right here, not the combo plat, not the creator combo, whatever they call it, this, just this one right here, runs a little over $300. I think it's either $350 or $399 US. I'll link it in the description below. You guys go ahead and check it out, okay? I did want the creator combo. I know that runs for $499 US, but I don't necessarily need all the things that comes with it. At least I don't think I need it now. So this gives me portability, high quality 4K 60 frames per second, and it's stabilized. So either spend almost the same amount to stabilize the camera that I'm using right now to record it, or get this that already comes with a built-in stabilizer. That's my dilemma. That's where I'm hoping that this guy right here takes over, and then this becomes my everyday point and shoot, my everyday shoot when I'm out and about. And then I'll use my Sony ZV-1 if I want to take pictures, or if I'm talking headshots, etc. Basically, I have a lot of gear. If you guys want to buy some, let me know. But that's my dilemma. This is not going to be an action camera. All right, I don't go out and do action. The most action I do is ride my boosted board. So therefore, that's why the GoPro didn't make sense, and the Insta360 doesn't make sense for something like this. So enough rambling. Just kind of wanted to give you guys my idea as to why I'm getting this, or my hopes of where this is going to fit into my toolkit. So I went ahead and already took the plastic off. Again, I don't want this to be a long video. This is the camera off to the side here. This should be adapters and cables. And guys, let me know in the comment section below if you're considering buying this camera, and if you don't have this camera, what do you use as your primary camera? This right here, as Flossie Carter used to say, salt for the haters. Pluck it and file it away. Okay, because that's not how you get to that. And here, so I went ahead and got what was inside out. Wrist strap, USB to USB-C charger, and then these little things right here, which are actually important. This one, I'm not even going to open it, is a USB-C. This one right here, I'm not going to open it, is a lightning. What these do is these plug in to the camera to allow you to connect the camera to your smartphone, so you can use your smartphone as a viewfinder, and it just makes it bigger to look at. You don't need your smartphone, but if you want, then you use these. Okay, so that's that. This, I'm going to open it. This right here is a tripod adapter, I believe. So this would somehow go in the bottom, and then there's your thread. The camera itself comes in this carrying case, which I love that they do. There's where you charge it. That's a thread right there. If you take this out, this is a camera. Record button, mode button, and where you attach things. And then, yep. So here's a little nub adapter. There's a tiny little joystick. This slides in like this. Take this, take that. Line them up somehow. And you just push it in. Boom. And now you have a little joystick. I don't know how well that's going to work, but that's how that works. And then another mode button of sorts up here. You get your little screen. And there you have it, guys. I'm not going to turn this on and play with it today, or play with it right now, I should say. But just to give you guys an impression, like, this is small, right? Like, tiny, real tiny. So this definitely is going to win the portability contest. It's definitely going to win the just forget it that it's in your tool bag. And this is what I was looking for. Hopefully the quality, in particular low light, is good enough. I don't need it to be great. I need it to be good enough that when I want to shoot something out and about or at home, I don't have to worry about that image being grainy or that image being that GoPro low light. And if that can do the job, then this is going to be something I'm going to be raving about. So let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular you want me to test this out with. Of course, I'm going to do comparisons between this and the Sony ZV-1. I'm probably going to be comparing this with the iPhone 12 Pro Max that's coming in as well. Maybe the Note 20 Ultra. And like always, guys, stay geeky. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios.